Let me just say that the overall purchasing and delivery experience with Ford has been amazing, Steve. You know, Ford sends a guy from the factory to hand deliver the car, to load it off the trailer, to answer your questions, and then this neat little package. So let's pop this open.
Yeah, go ahead.
So this has got the...
Yeah, so inside here you got your build photographs on the first side.
Okay.
And then open it up, and again we've got the spec sheet in the center, and then the window.
Cool, so it's got the window sticker, build sheet, build photos.
And the picture on the window sticker is actually
the actual car.
The actual car, yeah.
Wow, and so if the guy gets a silver car, there'd be a silver
picture or a black picture, whatever color car.
It's almost like silver. I know you said the silver's kind of boring, but
this is nice.
This is nice.
I like it.
This shows all the lines pretty well.
I put your seat covers and steering wheel cover in this bag.
Okay, all right.
This is obviously a bag
so
for
this is the indoor
car cover.
Okay.
With when you get it opened up and it goes on the car, your VIN number will be
very nice.
imprinted on the left. This is a really nice bag that the outdoor.
I mean, this kind of looks like carbon fiber bag. It's got the GT logo on it. I mean, the details. When you're spending this kind of money for a car, the details really matter to the owners, don't they?
I think it does, and this bag is actually one of my favorite things about it. It's just a neat looking bag.
Yeah. I've been super impressed. I was telling Tommy, one of the guys earlier, I'm like, they're asking me if, hey John, are you like super excited? It's like Christmas morning. I'm like, no, I'm still trying to get over the idea that I just spent over $500,000 for a car. Yeah. I'm used to selling cars for that price, but I'm not used to buying them. So I have to say that now that it's here, thinking about the spend is kind of,
it makes
not
you
thinking
feel
about
better,
that.
right?
I think it's a great investment.
Nice
I feel very fortunate to have been selected by Ford for just to obtain a car, whether, and to get a special edition, the 2018 Heritage, maybe 18, something like that.
Something like that. Who knows what the final build number is in 2018, but this is a very low VIN number for 2018 model year.
Well, Ford guys, thank you for entrusting your finest with us, and we'll try to do you right, make a few good videos, and take it to Cars and Coffee, and have some fun with it. And Steve, thanks for coming and making the delivery.
Thank you very much.
You're a good man. Thank you.
Cheers.